What's up, guys? Today we will be back testing the third week and no, the fourth week of January 2022. Um, this is episode 3 of this series. If you don't know already, I will post, at least try to post 1 week of data every single day. And yeah, we already did 3 weeks. I posted two of them because I didn't record the first one. And yeah, right now we're at a 75% win rate, which is pretty good, but it's not even a month, so it will probably go down to something between 60 or 70, somewhere around there. Yeah, let's get into it. Okay. Yeah, that was Friday's trade. Let's go to Monday. Yeah, it's a pretty clear bias. There's no reason to go long here, because on the higher time frame we're obviously bearish. I'm heading for this low and this order block. So I would really love to see a retracement, maybe up to this hourly gap or on ES. Yeah, same scenario. But we also have, we have this internal high, which could also push price lower. Would be very good if we see something like this. Yeah. Okay, that's a lot of wicks. We tapped into this 30 minute and we did get the inversion on the 1 minute time frame. To be honest, I would rather wait for a CISD, because we still have this hourly gap up here. I mean, it's a solid trade, but I'm not really willing to enter right now. Okay, yeah, I'll take this trade right here. It closed very far down, but I think it's okay going for a 1-to-1. My break even will be here. And yeah. Okay, we'll go break even already. Okay, that's unfortunate. Very close to our take profit, and then we get stopped out. But if we would have taken the trade like this, it would be a good take profit, but good patience though. Wasn't willing to risk the stop loss there. Oops, I didn't mean to do that. Right now I could see another resweep of this high, and maybe a short from there, or a continuation model down to like here. But there's no gap being created, so it's kind of unfortunate. Maybe 10 minutes. No 10 minutes as well. Yeah, that's a no trade day, because price action is really not clear. I think we will take out this low right here, but there's no entry model, so I would just go to the next day, Tuesday. And yeah, we took out both of my draws and we did get some reaction from there. However, we're still trending down on the hourly right now. But to keep in mind, we are in this 4-hour gap. If we maybe inversed it at 10 a.m., then we could take some potential shorts. Oh, okay, this looks really good. Let's see. We tapped into this sell side imbalance. It's really not clean. Could have taken the 30-second, but there's no inversion. Okay, I'll just. Yeah, to be honest, I really don't like this one as well. I may be hesitating right now, but price action is just not that clear. We're still inside of this 4-hour gap, and even though we are reacting from this imbalance, I don't quite see the trade yet. Yeah, would have hit, but it's not an A+ setup. I can tell you that. Yeah. Okay. So now we have this 15-minute gap where price could react from. Since we did we? Yeah, we inversed this 4-hour gap, so that's perfect. Yeah, maybe if we tap into this now, into this high, and to this gap right there, and get the inversion to the downside, this could be very clean. A very, very clean trade. Yeah, okay, we did inverse the 5-minute, but the 1-minute is looking very choppy, so I'll wait for one more candle to close. Okay, yeah, that's why we wait. On a lower time frame, that was really a very bad price action. So maybe we get the resweep now and the inversion now. Doesn't look that bearish anymore. Yeah, we did inverse the 50-minute. This really doesn't look clean again. What's going on? Yes, we're still inside this gap. Okay, so now we're reacting from this buy side imbalance. We could see I will take a long up to this high. My break even will be very early again, because I really don't I don't want to get stopped out that early, but yeah, I'll see. Okay, then we got the break even, and it's a break even trade again. It's unfortunate, but it happens. Also, no trade day and no winning or losing trade day. We got 2 break evens. Oh no, only 1 break even and 1 break even yesterday. So I'll just go to Wednesday. No good trades yet. Okay, we are now reacting from these lows and heading towards this daily imbalance. That's really good. You have to keep in mind we're almost there on ES as well. Let me remove these. Okay, yeah. What I really want to see is maybe a resweep of these highs, a tap into this 50-minute, and then a run up to these to this imbalance. Okay, we got the resweep now. Maybe a even better. Okay, that looks good. We swept this internal low right there, tapping into this hourly gap. Yeah, there was a 30-second, which I sadly missed. Would be a very good 30-second. Trade would have looked like this, something like that. Yeah, well, would have been break even again. It's funny, but I do see another opportunity. This 4-minute inversion right there could be very good. Okay, do get it now. I am willing to take this trade. Stop loss right there. And yeah, I'll just go for a 1 to 1.5 on our trade. Okay, we are break even there. Yeah, that's really that's really unfortunate to break even again. I do see us taking out this high, but we did take it out on ES. I should have seen that. Yeah. So probably not going for this high in AM session. But we'll see if we get a resweep of the slow and maybe an inversion to the upside again. Would be the only trade I would take now. But there's speed. Okay, there we got the speed. I mean, it's kind of late into the session if I'm honest. Yeah, I'm dodging this trade. Or am I? Wait a second. Okay, we have this unfilled 15-minute reacting. This would be a good trade, and it's okay. I am taking this trade. It's a solid trade, but also not A plus. Break even at this unfilled 15-minute gap and going for a 1.5. Okay, break even. Okay, fine. Finally. Okay. Yeah, was a solid trade. Almost being stopped out there, but you have that protected low. And yeah, I can imagine us going to this gap right now. I'll just skip a couple of minutes. Or let's just go to the next session and see if we did take out this high. Yeah, we did. Would have just been a very long trade. I'm not willing to hold my trades that long because I like to do some other things than looking at the chart the whole time. It was to say FOMC day. Could have been based on the volume that came in at 14 at 2 p.m. Okay, next day is that's Thursday, and we did react from this high, but we are pretty bullish on the 1 hour. That's really bad price action if I'm honest. There's no clear direction we are heading right now, so I'll have to see where we are trending to, and maybe we find a continuation model then. Yeah. I would love to see a retracement to this 15-minute gap. Right. Let me check for news because I don't know if you see this, but the calendars are printing pretty badly. So, okay. There's no bank holiday, so I could see us taking this trade. Retracement into this 30-minute. Maybe we get this 5-minute inversion. We don't. Okay. Maybe we create this 5-minute gap and react from there. Yeah, could be a good trade if we find the inversion right there. Okay, that's very clean. That's a very, very clean trade. Okay, yeah. I will take it like this maybe up to where? There's not really a good draw to the upside. I'll just have my position like that. Break even right there. Last swing high. Break even already. This will probably be a break even trade. Yeah. Yeah, that's why I go break even on these swing highs. Save myself a stupid loss. So yeah. And now we swept. Yeah, we did sweep out this internal low. Maybe if we get a resweep, yeah, it's also could be a break-even trade now, but I'm willing to take this trade. My break-even is here, so it will be a very quick trade. I'll have to manage this trade on the 15-second time frame, so I don't miss my break-even. Okay, break even there. Hopefully we just run straight through it. Yeah, okay, not a break even trade. A lot of break evens, but it's part of my trading. So yeah, let's do the last day of this week. Yeah. Okay, now we finally get some reaction from here, and we are still consolidating on the 1 hour time frame, which isn't ideal for a Friday. So we have to be careful. Maybe we take out this high and get a short from there, or maybe we even come up to these highs. Yeah, okay. None of them. We created this 5-minute gap here. If we tap into this one and find an inversion to the downside, I am willing to take this trade. Yeah, okay, we got this 15-minute, even better. Okay, yeah, looks good. If we get the inversion now, I will take it. Yeah, very, as I said, very bad price action. Yeah, and we didn't even invest this gap here, so I don't quite know. Yeah, there's no way I take a trade in this price action. So yeah, no trade again. Oh my god, my camera just fell down. I'm sorry. Okay, perfect. No trades. No. Like, what's my cam doing? Wait a second, guys. Only one win this week. 4 break evens, I think, and yeah, 1 win. So I will do the second week now. Also, I will record it now. Because we only took 1 trade, and you couldn't really see anything. So yeah, I'll just do the second week right now. Okay, let's go to Monday again, and maybe we find some trades that are worth taking. Okay, price looks pretty clear. I am bullish up to these highs, to this internal low, internal high, and for that I could see a resweep of these lows, maybe here. This low right here would be ideal, or just a continuation model to the upside. Yeah, it looks like we are just heading straight towards this high without giving us any entries. Okay, well, that looks good. Looks actually very good. If we get this 1 minute inversion, I will take this trade. I absolutely will. Yeah, that happens often. I can't go. I can't enter this trade if we inverse it up here, because this is my break-even point already. So I would have only taken the trade if we did something like that. It's unfortunate. Yeah, okay. We took out our draw, so we'll have to be careful now. Maybe just a retracement into this 15-minute gap would be good, but I don't think we will take a trade. Okay, 10:30 opens, retracement into this 15-minute, and I think that's fine. Not A plus, but if we get the inversion now, oh hell no, that's the worst inversion I've ever seen. I'm not taking this. I'm not taking this. Even if it works, yeah, would have been break even anyways. Yeah, that's just often the case if we take out such an internal high, and after that we like to just chop around the end of this the rest of the session. So I'll go to Tuesday. It's the first of the month. Yeah. Still long. We are very, very bullish. No reason to go short here. Would love to see a resweep maybe into this hourly gap here, and a resweep of this low. This would be ideal. Looks good. Yeah, we got it. Okay, that's perfect. Maybe we find some kind of continuation model to the upside. That's the ideal scenario. We get a resweep now, and then the 1 or 2 minute inversion to the upside. Or 5 minute, I don't care. Yeah, okay, that's a pretty clean inversion to the upside. Problem is we still have this 4-hour low right there, but I'm still willing to take the trade up to this high. Yeah. Okay, we are break even there. Hopefully we just well, it's so unfortunate. I could have tried to go for a 1-to-1 here, but I didn't like the stop loss here, so I'm not doing it. But yeah, that's the end of the session again. No trades again. Fortunate, but that's fucking part of the game, so it doesn't matter. Still bullish. We have this unfilled daily gap, which we could be heading to. Maybe for a long resweep of this low. ideally here. Yeah, I'll just see. Okay, yeah, we took out both of them. That's perfect. It's actually very perfect. The inversion isn't. It's just. Yeah, I can't take an inversion like this, if I'm honest. Nah, I can't. I'm not taking. Okay, perfect. That's lucky. We did get a resweep, and we kind of felt this fair value gap a little bit more. So maybe we see longs now. Yeah. Also, we took out this loan, yes. So now I would really love to see a retracement up to here at least. Break even is very quickly again because of this unfilled. Oh, here it's even here unfilled 5 minutes. So yeah, we didn't take it. Okay, yeah, let's say break even again. We'll wait for this 5-minute inversion. Okay, we did get it here. I will take this trade. Even though it's a very big trade, I'm willing to take it. Yeah. Okay, that's a stop loss. Probably just wrong bias now. Probably just going down from there. Yeah, it's okay. I'm still happy with the trade. Let's just go to Thursday. Okay, Thursday we are reacting from this weekly gap, but we are in this daily gap, so bouncing from PD array to PD array. It's unfortunate, but I'll just follow the trend. We are looking pretty bearish right now, so I have to be careful. Yes, there's like no clear direction. Yeah, what's this price action? Are there news? PMI. Okay, we have PMI at 10 a.m. Maybe this brings some. They didn't do shit. Didn't do anything. Yeah. Okay. We swept out this high now. Maybe we find some kind of short. Second. Yeah. It's just giving me break-even trades and break-even trades, so I will take this again. We swept this internal high right there. We have a 5-minute internal high and this. Okay. No, I'm not. I'm not taking this. I'm not taking this. Would I be shorting this? I think so. Yeah, I think I will go short there. Do a trade like this, just a 1-to-1. On setups like this, we like to go down immediately, so there should be a lot of volume now. Oh no, that's really not what I want to see. Okay, I will go break even now. Just based on this price action where it's already 11 a.m. So yeah, there's no reason to stay in this trade now. So What even is this? What even is this? Okay, that's a win and also a good break even. But what's this price action? That's very crazy. But it's a win. However, trade setup was valid. We swept out this this internal high, and then got the 5-minute inversion to the downside. And right here. And yeah, got a 1-to-1. Almost got stopped out though, but that's okay. Okay, let's go to the last day. Yeah, okay. I still think that we are bearish now. I'll have to see on ES. Yeah, high time frame looks pretty bearish. We do have, yeah, we have relatively equal lows. Yeah, so my idea would be a sweep of these highs, maybe get some kind of reaction from this internal high, and yeah, I'll just see what happens. Okay, we get some reaction from there, but there's no trade set up. Yeah, probably heading for this high up there, so I will go short if long if we see a setup. Is there news? No, there's no news. Okay, yeah, I'm willing to take this trade, like just for a 1-to-1, up to this internal high. I think that's a very good trade to take. Break even right here again. Okay, that's a quick break even. That's very good. That's unfortunate. Okay, we get the sweep of this high. Now I would really love to see a short. If we get short opportunity now, then I'm willing to take it without a doubt. Okay, 4-minute invest here. I'll see if I go break even there or going for 1 to 1.5. Yeah, that's a good break even. Good, and another win. Yeah, that's basically the week again. My camera's messing up again. Okay. Thank you guys for watching again. We're still at 75% win rate. We backtested 2 weeks. Only 3 wins and 1 loss. I think that's fair, but we had a lot of break-even trades. Kind of frustrating, but I think that's okay. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow when I do the next video. We finished January with 6%. That's very good. Starting February first week with 1.6%. That's also 2 good trades, 1 loss. It's solid. There's no really can't complain that much. Yeah, and I'll see you guys next week. No, yeah, yesterday when I backtest the next week. Yep.